No Keyto, no manufacturing.
I believe many of you want to visit Keyto factory. How is the production scale? How about production control, delivery capabilities?
Let's find out together.
Keyto has 3 manufacturing bases, including product assembly, special processing, and injection molding. Today, we are going to show you the product assembly manufacturing center, which is the building behind us, with a total of 6,800 square meters. The Keyto Manufacturing Center is responsible for the order delivery process, like delivery planning, assembly, testing, warehousing, packaging, and shipping, mainly based on the 4th-generation cell line production model. It has a 100,000 level dust-free workshop and several FFU units, as well as 3 high-precision assembly production lines at the micron level. At the same time, it has a storage area of 1,500 square meters with year-round temperature and humidity control. The management team has senior Japanese and Taiwanese industry backgrounds and over 15 years of production management experience. The production workshop complies with 8S standardized management, and all processes are arranged and controlled according to the principle of one-piece flow. All processes have been installed with a lightning system, and according to the M3 labor level, ensures the operators maintain their working state. Keyto digitizes and formalizes the entire production process through the ERP and MES systems. We have independently developed an MES system based on unique production model, achieving barcode-based production process control, process traceability, and delivery management for all orders. The MES system has been integrated with the main product line testing systems in terms of informalized automation and instrumentation. Integrating ERP to achieve full process traceability and control of products from material warehousing to finished product assembly, testing, packaging, and shipment. And dramatically track the process and detailed data of order delivery in real time. Provide the strong and stable information support for delivery team. Keyto mainly target the medical, environmental, laboratory industries, based on industry characteristics, deep customization. Based on industry characteristics, deep customization. A flexible production model that professionally and efficiently meets customers' needs for multiple varieties, small batches, high quality, fast delivery, and comprehensive traceability. Keyto production environment has passed ISO 9001, 13485, 4001 system certification, is running efficiently.
Highly capable and highly reliable.
That's all for Walk into Keyto Factory, Product Assembly Manufacturing Center.
See you next time. Bye-bye.